Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hashimi bin Afuzi. I'm a student from University Technology Malaysia. The task given to me is to talk about polyvinyl chloride, which is a PVC. PVC is a synthetic resin made from the polymerization of vinyl chloride, second only to polyethylene among the plastic in production and consumption. PVC also used in enormous range of domestic and industrial products, from raincoats and shower curtains to window frames and indoor plumbing. And this is about characteristic about PVC. Characteristic about PVC is has high impact strength, and next, easier to extrude or mold. They also lower temperature resistance. Next, less resistance to chemical, and usually has a lower ultimate tensile strength. Next is about basic form of PVC, which is I already state 5 points. First, plasticized or flexible PVC. Second, unplasticized or rigid PVC. Next, chlorinated polyvinyl chloride or polyvinyl CPVC. Fourth, molecular oriented PVC or PVCO. And lastly, modified PVC or PVCM. For first 2 points, which is nowadays always use flexible PVC and rigid PVC. Flexible PVC, which is formed by the addition of compatible plasticides to PVC, which lower the crystallinity, act like lubricants, resulting in much clearer and flexible plastic. The density of flexible PVC is 1.1 to 1.35 g/cm3. Next is about rigid PVC. Rigid PVC is stiff and cost-effective plastic. Next, high resistance to impact, water, weather, chemicals, and corrosive environments. And the density of rigid PVC is 1.3 to 1.45 g/cm3. Strengths of flexible PVC, which is about advantage of flexible PVC. First, low cost, flexible and high impact strength. Next, good resistance to UV, lubricants and many of corrosive inorganic chemicals. Third, good electrical insulation properties. And lastly, easier to process than rigid PVC. Strengths of rigid PVC: low cost and high stiffness, better chemical resistance than plasticized PVC. And third, good electrical insulation and vapor barrier properties. And lastly, good dimensional stability at room temperature. This is about limitation of flexible PVC, which is disadvantage about flexible PVC. First, materials can change with time due to plasticization migration. Next, tends to degrade at high temperature. Third, non-suitable for food contact with some plasticides. Lastly, lower chemical resistance than rigid PVC. Limitation of rigid PVC, which is difficult to melt process, limited solvent stress cracking resistance, becomes brittle at 5 degrees Celsius, and lastly, low continuous service temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. This is about how is PVC manufactured. It's produced by chlorination of ethylene and pyrolysis of the resulting ethylene dichloride EDC in a cracking unit. And below is about a diagram how PVC production process. This is application of PVC material nowadays. We use for construction. For flexible PVC, we use for waterproof membranes, cable insulation, and roof lining. For rigid PVC, we use for window frames, house pipes, and roofing. For domestics, flexible PVC we use for flooring, wall covering, and shower curtains. For rigid PVC, we use for curtain rails, drawer size, videotape cases. For electricals, flexible PVC we use for cable and wire insulations, plugs and cable jackets, and lastly for sockets. For rigid PVC, we use for insulation pipes, distribution boxes, and battery terminals. Lastly, is conclusion for PVC. PVC is replacing traditional building materials such as wood, metal, glass and clay in many applications. Its versatility, cost effectiveness and excellent record of use mean it's the most important polymer for the construction sector nowadays. That's all for my explanation about PVC. Thank you for watching.